Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy Explained in Details along with Forex Price Action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. It has been a while since I released my last live trading video, and actually I missed doing that. Now actually I have spotted something very nice for the NZDUSD and I'm about to hit the sell button and done. I really think it's a perfect entry. So we started now the week with about $1,800. Let me just tell you something. Right now I'm on the NZDUSD and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I don't actually need to go to the smaller time frames. Why? Because the 4-hour time frame is actually more than enough at this on this setup. The whole principle or the purpose of going to the bigger time frame is to identify the direction, then moving to the small time frame to identify where exactly is the best entry that you could ever have. Now the thing here is the 4-hour time frame is showing us everything. First of all, it's showing the direction, which is obviously a set down trend, which seems like the market is going to continue the fall. And second of all, on the same 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market has now reached a previous broken support level and remarkably a very strong key resistance level. So meaning the market most likely gonna respect this level of a resistance, and this right here, the peak of the resistance, which is the nearest resistance to that bearish breakout candle. So you need to look for the nearest resistance to the bearish breakout candle as per the 20 pips a day strategy, and based on that place your sell orders. Usually we are doing this on this small time frame such as 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, but the 4-hour time frame is actually showing us everything. Let me go to the smaller time frame. Check out this. This is the 15-minute time frame right now, and again we are seeing here a previous support level and a bearish breakout candle, and we can expect right now from the market to create a new resistance. By the way, I need to set my stop loss immediately. I actually have forgotten about that. Okay, I did a small mistake which I hope I will not pay for. I forgot to change the lot size. This is actually from the last week. The lot size when I start the week usually is only one lot size, not 1.5. Okay, that's not gonna be a good mistake because the stop loss is about $174. I really don't want to lose $174 at the opening of the week. No matter what good setup you have, you actually might end up losing money. You have to always consider that there is nothing guaranteed in trading Forex. Anyway, let me just tell you something. Now for the take profit level, that's the beautiful part. The beautiful part here about the take profit level is we have to place it at the nearest support or resistance to my entry. And as we can see, the nearest support lies exactly right there at about 26 pips far away. Now, since we are actually dealing with the 20 pips a day strategy, I would like actually to decrease it to make it just 20 pips only. 22, 21, 20, 21 pips, that should be fine. Just 20 pips, that should be fine. Yeah, 20 pips, equivalent to $307. I'm telling you something. If I win this one, that's gonna be my whole trade for the whole day. The only trade for the whole day. I have a target. Actually, that's one of the secrets of becoming a successful trader, in my opinion, is to always have a target, not only for the losses, but also for the profits. Some traders, when they start the day, for example, here I have started with $1,800. They have a target that they should never lose more than $300. So the maximum that they can afford to lose is $300. Now, if you want to become a day trader and you want to become profitable from trading Forex, you should never think about the losses. You should never focus on the losses. Focus on the profits instead. Have some more confidence in yourself. Have trust in yourself and in your skills. I know my skills and I know my strategy, and I know very well that my strategy is so good, and I believe it can actually pay me off by reversing right on that level of a resistance, at least to reach the nearest support or resistance to that structure. Which means I can actually aim to make $300 as a profit instead of only a loss. That's going to be my target for the day. $300 is actually more than enough. So if I have earned profit from this trade, it's going to be my whole trade for the whole day. Anyway, it's still early right now. It's 7 a.m. Dubai time, 3 a.m. GMT time. So the market right now has not much of activity. We need to wait for the market for like another 1 or 2 hours to become more active. So anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade, and also you will know if I have opened another trade. I will show it to you as well. I just wanted to show you an example about why we have sometimes to switch between 4 hours and 15 minutes time frame. For example, we can see here the pound JPY. We can tell right now, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right now we can see that the market has reached actually a resistance level, which means right now we need to focus on finding a sell setup, because the market right now is on a resistance level. So what do you do right now? You simply switch to the 15-minute time. Let me just tell you something. Right now on the 4-hour time frames, it's not clear at all where I can place my sell order. You can never place your sell order just like that based on the 4-hour time frame, just because the market has reached right here a previous level of a resistance. No, that's not gonna work. You have to find the perfect entry. So how do you do that? By going to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so now 15 minutes time frame has the 4-hour time frames has the 4-hour time frame has confirmed that we need to look for short. Now the 15-minute time frame is telling us where exactly we can place our sell level or place our short. Check this out. Right now we are having here a real level of a resistance, real level of a resistance, real level of a resistance, and a false breakout. Right now you might tell me, Salah, is now nice opportunity, go and place your sell order. I will tell you, no, not gonna happen, because the market has already reversed, as we can see. I'm a trader who always believe in the first attempt of the support or resistance. I rarely go to the second attempt. I really want to focus on the first attempt. As we can see, the market has already reached that level and has already reversed. And guess what? It has reversed till it reached the nearest resistance to that entry. Very strong, eh? I know, very powerful strategy offered to you for free on Xtreme Trader. 18 pips we could have easily made, but sadly I have missed this opportunity. So I'm just looking here and there. Now I'm back on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see right now, for example, the pound AUD is actually on a support level. Now meaning we actually need to consider buying the market, because on the 4-hour time frame we are having here a real level of a support, a false breakout, then a real level of a support for 2 attempts. Let's now move to the 15-minute time frame. Hopefully I can find something. Let me just tell you something. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Actually nothing. I don't see anything good for my entry here. Anyway, allow me now please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find another setup, or I will show you what will gonna happen with the current NZDUSD trade. Okay, so we're having here something. I mean, it's not 100% trusted. I believe it's like 90% or 95%. Right here on the Euro NZD, we are having, my friends, here a very strong support level. And as we can see, this was the real level of a support for several times. Now pay attention. We had here in the middle a false breakout, and right here we can see that the same level of the support has also been respected. Now the interesting thing is we had here later a false breakout. Now pay attention again. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the same level of the support has already been respected as a support, and the market has already reversed. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. So as we can see right here, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, that level of a support has also been respected. Meaning we already have here support number 1. Right now the market actually achieving support number 2. It's approaching the level, I mean. So right now all we need to do is go to the 50-minute time frame, and what we can see right here is about to be the second attempt of the support. Check this out. So right here we had real level of a support, real level of a support, false breakout, real level of a support, and right now we can place the buy order right there. First of all, I need to reduce the lot size to make it at least one lot size, because we have opened the first trade with 1.5 lot size, and that's already a lot. And you know, I know. I just said before that I don't trust the second attempt. I always trust the first attempt. But that's a setup I cannot miss. I mean, it seems really strong. I mean, the market is moving up. The trend is going up. It's an upper trend. Everything is going up. And I believe it's not going to be a bad idea to place our buy order right here at the second attempt of the support, aiming just like about 16 or 17 pips. Yes, now is the perfect moment. Yes, now is the perfect moment. We have just waited for the perfect moment, and check this out. Oh my god, the stop loss is gonna be nice, only 100 pips. Meanwhile, the take profit level has to be placed right there at about, let me just make it 20 pips, because we're aiming only 20 pips, no more. The whole idea of my strategy, my friends, is always aim for 20 pips per day. Just try to find a setup that can provide you with a 20 pips of profit, and just take it. Try to reduce your trades per day and try to focus more on the very trusted setups. Now, I'm not saying that the market is going to continue to rise like that. I'm just assuming that the market is most likely going to be respecting that level of a support. There is another way to analyze the chart, by the way, is by looking at the support trend line right here, which we are having, and you can see that the market has made the bearish breakout from that support trend line on the 50-minute time frame again. Now, the normal behavior of the market, once the market actually creates a strong breakout from the structure or from the support trend line, it's going to continue the fall till it reaches the strong key support level, the nearest one to the support trend line, the broken support trend line, and after that it's going to continue the rise just to retest the broken level of a support trend line to create a new resistance trend line, and afterwards it's going to continue the fall. That's how usually the market behaves to these strong levels. So right now we are having here 2 trades running. I don't think I will have any other trades. That's going to be it. We are actually on 2.5 lot size from the small account. I'm risking a lot. I'm really risking too much. I mean, from the first trade, which is not going well so far, we are risking to lose about $174. Meanwhile, on the second trade, which is not 100% trusted, we are risking about $103. So yeah, there is a chance that I will start my week with a deep shit. There is a chance that's gonna happen. I hope it's not gonna happen, but it's a possibility according to the chances that I see. Anyway, let's just hope for the best. And let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these 2 trades. And yes, I'm very happy to say that the trades has paid off, and right now we can see the total profit is about $100. That's actually fine by me. I'm actually looking at the total amount of profit, not for each one of them. It was actually 120 when I decided to resume trading, to resume the recording. Sorry. Now suddenly it went okay, nice. I want to make sure I can close it with about like more than $100. The account is above 1900. The account is above 1900. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. I want to make sure the account is above 1900. Okay, no worries. It might take a while, but we are going in the right track. I mean, we are doing very well. Yeah, definitely, yes, definitely. All right, yes, I will close the trade once I see the account here above 1900. Yes, now it's above 1900. Let me just make sure to close it on the right time, not exactly 1900. Okay, I'm very happy. We're making a lot of profits. Early morning, very nice. Early birds. Early birds. I like that. All right, done. Close it. Done. Fantastic. $1,906. Fine. I'm very happy with that. $100 we have made. So easy. So easy. So easy. That's why I really love Forex. I really love Forex. I mean, man, I just really like it. I enjoy scalping. Nothing. I like nothing else. Anyway, now scrolling between the okay, I think the market right now has low volatility since it's actually early in the morning. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it. I don't really want to risk right now. I'm gonna resume trading not right now, actually about 4 p.m. Dubai time, maybe at 2 p.m. But of course, it all depends on the setup. I was just happy to make another live trading video. Maybe 2 trades is very little, but I think highly informative for those who are actually seeking to make some profits in the morning and to learn the best way to find these setups. So I hope by these 2 trades, you have actually learned how to identify these setups and how to make sure that your trade actually might end in profit, and hopefully it will improve your trading skills. I know, again, 2 trades is so little, guys, but please forgive me. I'm doing here the best I can to I would say, like, to revive the channel. I want everyone to learn about Forex again. I want to see more activity on the channel. Please understand, doing these live tradings on my live account is so stressful. You have no idea. Trading on the live account is very stressful alone. What more if you are doing it on YouTube and you are being recorded and a lot of people watching you? I mean, that's actually a lot of pressure that I can barely take. I'm very happy with this. I mean, $100 with this live account, live trade, is totally fine by me. And again, I hope you guys have learned something from these trades. Anyway, I will see you in more live trading videos and hopefully again in more gold signal videos. Until then, I hope that it's informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.